Hi you guys, it's 2022. I've taken a couple weeks off, but I'm back. I am so excited to be here and start with today's adventure, which is gonna be an epic one. But first, if you're new around here, allow me to introduce myself. Hi, that's me, Liv, and my fiance, Seth. We love to seek adventure. Whether it's by plane, train, or our very own converted camper van, we love to travel the world and share it with you. So here's to living the jet lag life. I'm so happy to have you here. Alrighty, our first adventure this year is going to be a super exciting one. Seth and I are stoked to be here and checking out a tiny home Airbnb. Now there's a little bit more to this than you might think. So Seth and I got the van, did the van life thing, which we saw on the internet and decided to try it ourselves. Another thing we've been seeing and have wanted to possibly do in our future, once we're married and are starting our new life together, is build our own tiny home. So I've been in a tiny home once. Seth, how many? You've never been in one? Never been in one. Okay, so this is gonna be the ultimate test, all right? Is tiny home living the life for us? We're gonna find out as a couple, two people, one tiny house. Could be good, could be bad, but we're gonna find out and stay at this awesome Airbnb. Okay, let me show you guys. I'll give you a little tour and we'll get started. Starting with the living space here, we've just got like, I think it's a futon. Honestly, it's kind of the size of a twin bed. You can just sit and chill on and the sunlight is coming through. It feels so good. Gorgeous. If you take a look, it's like very boho, very chic, and they've got like an accent wall. And then of course there's cute little books in here. They've got some snacks and like little trinkets, some coasters. Decoration was definitely not an afterthought, which is really, really cute. So cute, really like it, love the light. Turning around, switch with me here. On the other side is this kitchen slash dining, kind of a vibe. Also they gave you a little like booklet, but how cute are these little stools and like bar situation. Kind of a lot of space. I think we could eat here pretty comfortably. Cute decor again, like on theme with the boho. And then let's take a look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This part's really cool. They utilize this space really well. You've just got a gorgeous like butcher block countertop. They've got French press, coffee cups, kettle, all of the things, cute little mini tiny house size cutting boards. And then they've got everything you need, including like a dual hot plate, extra cups, extra plates, the works. I know you'll see this ladder up here that takes you to the loft where the bed is, but I want to show you this really cute tiny bathroom, and the sink is, it's hilarious. It's really funny. So come on. It opens like this. And then there you go, look at that. Straight ahead is the world's smallest sink. It's so tiny. You got a toilet to the left. And then a pretty decent sized shower. I'll stand in here. It's not, I've got my arms extended all the way.
You gotta get like behind the toilet.
I have my arms extended all the way and it's not out of the shower yet. So, kind of big.
Pretty good size.
It's decent. I mean, when you say the sink, you expect a way smaller shower. It is time for jungle gym status, AKA, what? What's wrong? What's that face?
No, I was laughing at you.
Oh, okay. And embark on the journey that is to the loft bedroom. Okay, let's go. All right, so this is the loft bed. Super cool. I really love how they utilized the space and like kept it in its own little separate section in a pretty open concept tiny home. I mean, they're tiny homes, they kind of have to be open concept. But I really like this. I like the size of it. I don't think, well, heads might get bonked, but you can just crawl into bed and solve that problem. But I really, yeah, I like the space up here. I like the decor. It's super cute. It's that boho like I was talking about. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I like it too. I like
Look
the
at those little
windows in the
lamps too. I think those are adorable. Initial thoughts.
back. It's cute. I don't know that I could live here like full time. It's a little small.
It is a little small.
But it's nice for a little getaway.
I think so too, but imagine if that wall was a bit bigger and you had it like sectioned off more.
Yeah.
Like I feel like this is a very, very tiny home.
Yeah, but it's super functional though. I mean, there's I can
That's
fit
true.
in the shower fine. And I'm 6 foot.
Yeah, that's true.
So
First impressions, I could live here on my own. Easy. Together, it would have some difficulties.
with a dog,
With a 60-pound dog,
little much.
low much. But we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna test it out. You've seen our space, our living quarters. Now it's time to live in them. But I want to show you guys a couple key features in the backyard too, or backyard? I don't know. The living space outside, because you know when you're in a tiny home, you don't really stay in it the whole time. So let's check it out. Where are we supposed to put all our stuff?
Under the bed. Or under the thing.
Tiny home things. Imagine we just bought this. Imagine. I think we would feel some type of way if this was our living space.
Yeah, it's definitely
It is very
livable.
tiny, but it's so. It is tiny. It's tiny.
It's tiny, but it's what's the word? Chic.
Yeah. But with a space like this, you kind of are expected to go outside and do more.
Yeah, it's not like we'd be in here all day.
So with that said, let's go climbing. Record, I've been trying that route for the past 30 minutes. Okay, so Seth and I are really getting into climbing lately. Like, it's kind of addicting. And his brother works at this place called, what is this place called?
Sun Country Sports.
Sun Country Sports. And the Airbnb is close to him, so we're climbing. He's awesome. We're noobs, but check this out. So we just got back from climbing. It was awesome. I think we're safe to say we're addicted to it. I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home and get a membership at the
Local
climbing
gym. It's a vibe. Yeah. But we're back home. It's cozy in here. We're gonna take a shower, try the bathroom, try the shower out, and get all cozy in our tiny little house. It's a little chilly in here, so that's why I kind of went a little bit like this, but let's do it. It is morning here at the tiny home. We're about to head out to a recommended coffee shop, but I don't know if they can hear that. There's a woodpecker directly above us.
He's big too.
He's huge. Maybe that's how the size of them, all of them are, but.
Yeah. And like the bright red.
Mohawk looking thing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's right there. That's
Cool.
such a sick shot. But it's so peaceful out here. It's a little chilly. We woke up, it was 48 degrees. How'd you sleep? You sleep well?
Yeah, I slept okay.
A little, too many 8-legged friends in the proximity. That's all I'm gonna say about that.
I killed 2 spiders and Olivia was like this all night. And there was like
Thumbnail.
3 feet of bed on the other side.
I don't do spiders. So it was interesting, but I need some caffeine. Are you ready to go get some coffee?
Yeah, I do some coffee.
All right, let's do it. After you, one at a time.
This, or when I have it all pulled back.
I like it like that.
Most of the time I have it pulled back.
You look like Ochoa. We are back home now. We've got the heater going. Little portable heater. Because it was a bit chilly. How cold do you think it was in here? Like 60 degrees?
Yeah, at least it was probably in the 60s.
It was in the 60s. It was pretty
A little
chilly. But we got our blanket out. We're just chilling. And I think we're gonna make some lunch. Tiny home cooking things.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Got it. Coming right up.
Okay. All right, change of plans. We are going to a vegan restaurant called Plantology and going to get some yummy vegan food that is right by another climbing gym. I know, is this a tiny house video or is it a rock climbing video? I don't know, but I'm not mad about it. You ready to go climb?
Yeah.
And eat.
And eat.
Eat first, please. I'm starving. We are back home. We seem to have flooded the toilet tank or something, so the guy is emptying it. And in the meantime, we're gonna play Ninja. You can tell I'm very not in the mood right now. You get one move to hit your hand, somebody's hand, and in that you get one move to deflect. So practice, then you go. But it's both hands.
Both hands.
And then let's see if I hit your hand.
Okay.
Hit your hand. You're playing one-handed.
Oh, so but
You
it's
don't
only
wanna
one
get
swift
out.
move. I can't go like this.
One move
direction?
only.
Okay. So who goes first?
I'll go. Ah.
That was way too easy. Oh, you did it that fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's play again.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, ready?
You wanna go?
Yeah, you go first.
I think that counts.
Why not?
I think that
Oh, why
counts.
wouldn't?
I don't know if it has to be hand. I don't know how to play this.
Okay, fine. Okay, keep playing. You hit my watch. Does that
Let me
count?
start over.
Okay. Does it? It has to be hands.
It's gotta be hands, like wrists down, I think.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
We're go. Ninja.
I just thought something so funny. What if you're like, already go, and I just went and caught your face. Okay.
Ah! You got me.
Oh, you
Gotcha.
got me. Did I get you?
No.
Oh,
Well, it was my forearm, but.
Oh, it's my forearm again.
All right, we just got showered. I didn't think about the tank size, living in a tiny home, and how it probably also would be tiny and fill up fast, but we got it taken care of. Showered, ready to make our first dinner. Yay. Tiny home edition. We're just gonna make some pasta with sauce and see if that is overwhelming. If that's going to be overwhelming, we're going to be in trouble. All right, let's do it.
She popping and dropping, she rocket top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She popping and dropping, she rocket top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets.
Okie dokie, our little meal. We didn't want to dirty up the pots and the pans, so,
Plates.
only wanted to dirty up the pots and the plates. Let's have a bite of our first tiny home dinner.
Okay, this will be interesting.
Ready?
I'm not left-handed.
You want me to hold it?
No.
I'm not left-handed either.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
That's pretty good. Not bad for just
Here, you can sit on my knee right here.
pasta sauce.
Yum. Not too bad indeed. Could use some cheese, but... Oh, the pan's not hot. Alrighty, folks. Tiny home living. Thoughts, go.
I like it. It's definitely doable. If you're in a place where you're out all the time and you're not cooped up, because then
And that's why
it would be like
I think it's
cabin
glad
fever.
that, like, I'm glad that we included the climbing in this.
Mm-hmm.
Because we were out and about doing that, getting coffee. I mean, and if you're saving money on your living space by, like, downsizing, you can afford those kind of things too.
Yeah.
I'd like to think, but
Yeah.
yeah, wow.
I like the space though.
I really do love this Airbnb. Thank you, huge thank you
Yes,
to
thank you so
Simplify
much.
Further for hosting us and letting us try this out. Right, as of right now, I think we could build our own. And and live in it. Not necessarily us build it, but like we
Yeah.
could do tiny home.
We could.
We could do tiny home living, I think.
We could.
For sure. But yeah, this one was really cool. I think ideally we would make it a little bit bigger in the back. Like longer.
Maybe a little bit.
You know what I mean? Because it's kind of just
But
abrupt end, but...
It's a cute little tiny home.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Do you have any basil?
No.
It was definitely so much fun. We had a blast. It has its challenges, like the small water tank. Not very much living space, but
Yeah, but
when you have like this,
it's a
like
tiny
this,
home. I mean,
what do you expect, right? Yeah. But I say that the biggest hack is to get outside and do stuff outside.
Mhm.
But guys, that is all I have for you in today's vlog. Thank you so much for coming along and testing out tiny home living with us and enjoying this beautiful property. One of many, like I said, I'll link them all down below. There are a couple properties from these same Airbnb hosts. This was such a blast.
I know. I want to come back and try another one.
Yeah, honest. Oh my gosh, they have one that has like a tub, so maybe,
Yeah.
We'll see. It could be so cool. But thank you guys so much for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Got me deep in my pockets, I'm